Hello, and welcome to Dystopian Electronics Workshop. Today, we're going to take a look at several small items that we've picked up, some tools, as well as a LED flashlight that is not working currently. We're going to try to get that working and see what we can do with it. The first item that we're going to take a look at is a couple of lighters. This is the first lighter. This is a Bic lighter. Pick this up on the side of the road, and it works perfectly. So there's not really a whole lot else we need to do with it. The second lighter is this little torch style lighter. It's broken, it doesn't actually work, but it does have an electronic style ignition. So we'll add that to the inventory. Maybe we can do something fun with that later. Next up we have this 4mm hex bit. Picked this up on the side of the walkway in Las Vegas. It doesn't have any labeling on it, so I'm not sure who manufactured it. In fact, I had to get out a caliper to measure it. Next we have this 11mm socket. It's a 1/4-inch drive, and it's made by Pittsburgh Tools. So not a super fancy socket. I do not have a video of picking this up. My phone was dead when I found it, but I did pick this up on the side of the road. It is a legit salvage. Next up is this 1/4-inch drive, inverted torque socket. It's made by Matco Tools, and looking it up on the internet, it's worth about $8. So that was a pretty good find. We have a random screw. And a little screw-on cap. Finally, we have some wires to take a look at. So this is just some 13-gauge wire with a female spade connector on it. We have a micro USB cable. Seems to be in fairly good condition. A little smashed up, but we can straighten that out. Then we have this very long USB to Thunderbolt cable for your Apple products. And finally, an incredibly dirty USB-C cable. And if you take a look at the end of the connector there, it is just full of dirt. But I think we'll be able to get this cleaned up and get it into service, charging up our batteries. We also have a 10-inch crescent wrench. Saw this in the middle of the road and had to pull over and wait till traffic cleared out so I could pick it up. It's a great tool. I've already been using it to hit things. Finally, we're going to take a look at this. I picked it up on the side of the road. I actually wasn't sure what it was, but it's a little LED light, some kind of a weird case. So we're going to open that up, see if we can get it working, and see what we can do with it. Screw. Okay, so this is just a little LED flashlight with a couple of lithium batteries. These, let's see, this one is not dirty, are 2016Ls. It's got 2 of those in there. They look pretty damaged, but that's probably a good LED. You know what we're going to do to test that out? Let's pull out our multifunction tester. Pop that LED in. And that works great. And one other thing we can do is use a battery tester on these lithium cells and see if they are good or if they're just trash. So we're going to take this cell. And here's where we're supposed to test it. Positive down. Oh, that is not testing at all. Try this one. Both of those are bad. So I went ahead and replaced those batteries and got this little light working. Put it back together. As you can see, it's actually a black light. So what I want to do with this is take it outside and show you one really cool use for black light at night, at least here in Texas. Here's a scorpion right here on the side of this planter. Now what I'm going to do is turn out the light, shine that black light at him. You can see he just pops. That's all we have for this week. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, share with your friends. Now you get out there and do something.